Machita Namakhutman, Kamalam Museko. This is Football SA. Kaizer Chiefs have 7 players out of contract on 30 June. In this video, we're talking about, I'm going to give you the names of the players, the age of each player, and what each player has brought to Kaizer Chiefs. Before I can get into the video, please don't forget to support the channel. Hit a like or subscribe. We really appreciate, as content creators, it's very important for you guys just to hit the subscribe or the like button. And also, sometimes it's very important for you guys not to skip the ads. You know, it makes so much difference to the content creators. So first of all, this is a completely reliable story. And I say this because there's so much unreliable stories, you know, so many fake stories in social media. And this one, and you know, in this channel, we don't engage at all if a story is not coming from a reliable source. This list of players that are running out of contract at Kaizer Chiefs come from the top journalists in the country. Is in the top 3. You can decide if he's number 1 or number 3, but I'm talking about Umazola Molefe. He's listed 7 players out of contract. Number 1, Bruce Vuma. Number 2, Dylan Solomons. Number 3 is, I have the list here. I thought I was going to know it by heart. It's Bruce Vuma, Zita Kwinika, Dylan Solomons, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Pule Modi, Gaston Sorino, and Kanyisa Mayo. 7 players. Yeah, that's what it is, Bafit. It's unbelievable. And according to the same source, the same journalist, part of the reasoning behind this is that Kaizer Motaung Jr. has his eyes on izinto ezimbini. Eyokuqala, Kaizer Chiefs have a mission and objective of finishing second, which is CAF Champions League. And if you finish in the CAF Champions League, if you acquire, or like a bag, if you acquire a CAF Champions League spot, it means you need certain players in your squad, and also financially it makes a huge difference to the team. Which players you can afford to pay and give new contracts, and which players are you going to need for the type of competition. So that's another reason why Kaizer Chiefs are deciding to wait. And second of all, the report says that Kaizer Chiefs, they're going to leave it to the incoming coach, the incoming new coach, to decide which of these players he wants to keep and which of these players he wants to part ways. Eziphi players afuna coach bamazivaye. Yeah, we're gonna see. It's gonna be very interesting, and I think obviously this is another hint about Kaizer Chiefs is a coach, a South African coach, if not a South African coach, but a coach that is well versed in Gibetto Premiership. And if you know Gibetto Premiership well, you know he plays Gibetto Premiership. In my previous video, I spoke about Umanqoba Mngqithi with a reliable source linking him with Kaizer Chiefs. If you get a chance, check out the video up at the timeline on the channel. And if we're talking about Umanqoba Mngqithi uzazi zonke ezi players uziphethe. Yamthwasa uBuvuma, Kwinika, Solomons, Mthethwa, Modi, Serino, Mazintswempu Serino from Sundowns, Kanyisa Mayo, he knows him. What I can say about each of these players, Bafethu, also in this video, I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I'm gonna give my reasons why I say this player should leave or this player should not leave. First of all, you know, when it comes to players, Bafethu, age is a factor. It does play a role, you know. Bruce Vuma is 30 years old. Zita Kwinika is 32. Vuma, okay, let me also talk about the appearances. Vuma has made 5 appearances this season. He's being a backup goalkeeper to Brendan Peterson. But Peterson, of course, had a medical problem. He had operation appendix. Yeah, okay, that's why he was out. And Vuma has made 5 appearances. Vuma has conceded 5 goals in 5 appearances, and he has 2 clean sheets. And then we have Zita Kwinika. Zita Kwinika is a very interesting story. The out, career Kaizer Chiefs, be out bajonga. Uphelele ngayo Kaizer Chiefs, but Uzita he fought. Umchita apparently is like a pit bull of a defender and a character. Umchita, his football is all about the character, personality, and spirit. Actually, in terms of central defenders, he's not like a physical force, freak of nature, physical. He's not a technical central defender. Akho mnandi enyaweni ba uclean uhlambile with the pass, with the touch. He's not quick. He's not a quick defender, but what he's all about, uZitha, is he's a fighter, spirit, communication. When he's a warrior, he's a fighter. That's, if you ever wondered about, okay, he's Kipani and out, but that's what Zitha is all about as a football player. He's a central defender. 32 years old. And then you have Dylan Solomons, right back. He has one of the most interesting and healthiest competitions at right back, in the country. You can look at different clubs, but you won't really find such a healthy competition at right back. Players that are like so equally good, talented. Thabiso Monyane plus Dylan Solomons. So very interesting. Solomons is 29 this year and has played 18 times, and then Omonyane has played 17 times. They're really sharing the Kaizer Chiefs jersey. And then you have Sibongiseni Mthethwa, 31 years old. Also his contract is ending. He was a regular Kaizer Chiefs. He played 19 games before he got injured go December. And he's been out since. He's recovered from injury, but his position has been taken by Ulebohang Mabo. I've done a video about Mabo moving into that number 6 position, on this channel about 3 months ago by now, and I had so many positive things to say. I was actually very excited about Mabo playing as a number 6, and in that video I was talking a lot about modern football, and what Mthethwa was good at, but what Mthethwa is not good at is so important in the modern game, if you know what I mean. Mthethwa une qualities, but the qualities that he lacks are more important than the qualities he does not have. So yeah, if you get a chance, look for that video Mthethwa, but no Mabo. You also have Upule, his contract is ending. Umodi, unbelievably, is 33 years old. He's a winger, 1 goal, 1 assist, 25 games. And then Gaston Soriano, unbelievably, 35 years old, 2 assists and 1 goal in 23 games. And then Khanyisa Mayo, 27, 1 goal in 12 games. So yeah, that is the list, my feet. And then without making this video too long, I'm going to give my opinion on each player and why I say each player should leave, and I'm going to try to make it brief as possible. Number 1, Khanyisa Mayo. Should he stay? Should he go? He should stay. I've seen Umayo's best football, and I don't believe Kaizer Chiefs have had coaches that can be able to get the best out of Umayo. Umayo is a proven Beto Premiership player, a goal-scoring winger, and also he can play in the centre forward position. And he's a unique winger and a striker. In terms of strikers, he's not similar to many strikers, and he's not similar to many wingers. So yeah, I think Umayo should stay on. He's on loan here until the end of the season, in case the Chiefs have an option to buy, which I think they should exercise. And I think no coach is gonna come in and say, I don't want Umayo. Kaizer Chiefs, watch the space. And then Gaston Sereno Bafeto's class is world class. It's world class. It's Beto Premiership class. He's African class, but not world class. Gaston Sereno Bafeto. Gaston Sereno, one word I would describe him is surprise. Create a brilliance out of nothing. Sereno does the unexpected. The way he scores a goal, Sereno, the way he can turn, the way he uses his mind, his decision making. Yeah, Sereno's class Bafeto, and it's either you feel him or not. I don't care about what they say about his ability to run. He doesn't work. Sereno's class Bafeto, and it depends if a coach can use him or not, can get the best out of him. And apparently, Pitso Mosimane and Rulani Mokwena were able to do that, and at Kaizer Chiefs, the coaches have not been able to do that. Mangoba Mnete possibly coming to Kaizer Chiefs, I think. He knows Sereno, and Sereno is going to be the number 10. Kaizer Chiefs coaches have been insisting on playing Sereno as a winger. Bafeto. There's your number 10. Anyways, next, Pule Modi, unfortunately bafethu Modi bafethu ayikabi. It takes a lot for me to dismiss a player, bafethu football player. I'm never a hypercritical guy when it comes to football players, but and if you follow this channel, you know that. But Pule Modi, their jumper Modi, man, not enough quality for me, man. And yeah, Storoma man, Modi bangathi yeah kuzokwenziwe, but yeah, Joe. Sibongiseni Mthethwa. Unfortunately, Ox is a legend, bafethu, and I know he's a beloved figure, but you know, you're gonna win the ball, you know, you're the ball tackler, but what are you gonna do after that? Which is, in modern football, is so important to be able to drive with the ball. You know, my reasons are, just check out the video where I talk about Mabo taking over the number 6 role. You're gonna get my reasons. I say Mthethwa should leave. Dylan Solomons, quality right back. Solomons very attacking. Solomons has character, personality, which is one of the most defining traits, characteristics in a football player. Solomons is not scared to take chances. He's not scared to attack. He's not scared to make mistakes. In a confidence and in a spirit and a fighter, Solomons. So keep him. And quick, his pace, he can shoot even with both feet. In a speed, and in a plug, and on a plug, but to play in a personality is very, very important. He's like the only players that have like they have flaws. They're not perfect. They make a lot of mistakes, but they succeed in football because they have the character and the personality. You know, to not to lose confidence. You know, not to feel bad after making a mistake. Abomona Pule Saleng makes a lot of mistakes. He's frustrating, but he's got the personality and the character to keep going. Confidence. He doesn't care. He doesn't get phased, man. Mfundo Vilakazi is similar. I've always said up on the channel when Mfundo came up that this kid is gonna succeed. It's gonna be frustrating sometimes, but he's got the personality. He's got the character. He's not afraid to make mistakes. No more how banje. And I think now Solomon Zunjiyana, the personality and the character and the spirit. Who else? Zita Quinik, I think you should stay. He's captain of the team, and he has Kaizer Chiefs at his heart. You know, he's to play for development, Kaizer Chiefs. And as I said before, he has a unique makeup as a defender, which is what I said at the top of the video, actually. And then Bruce Vuma, Vuma, Mocha Vuma. Sorry. Yeah, Vuma, it's been good, man. Mistakes was unbelievable. Like, yeah, man was Bruce Vuma. Now, mistakes Bruce Vuma. Again, it takes a lot for me to dismiss a player, but Bruce Vuma and a jump. What do you say, Bafethu? Let me know in the comments, Bafethu. Am I right? Do you agree with me on which player, on which other player? Let's speak in the comments, Bafethu. Who should stay? Who should go? Don't forget to support the channel. Hit a like or subscribe. Much Bafethu.